I'm catching fish in a thunderstorm.
I can't believe it! We're catching fish in a thunderstorm.
Alright guys, we're fixing to go
To our pond.
down to the pond and see if we can catch some brim. I was down there doing some yard work.
Yeah!
And I happened to see some brim on the bed, so we're about to go see if we can get some worms and ease down there and catch a few brim before it starts raining. I think we got a little storm coming in, so let's run down there real quick and
Show them what it looks like.
catch a few fish.
No, this is what our storm looks like.
A weather storm.
Yeah.
Let's go get some worms.
Might be a thunderstorm today. I saw something wrong.
There you go. Let me help. Okay, I'm gonna help you. All right. They were right there. Okay. There he is. Whoa!
Bring it in, bring it in.
He got off.
I saw his body. Yeah, I saw it.
Let's do it again. That worm's still on there. Here, Tinley, come on.
Okay.
There's a brim bed right there.
Okay.
Here, Tinley. Here. Let's tighten that drag a little bit. There you go. Reel him up. Reel him up. That's a nice one. Atta girl. Atta girl.
Bring it in. Hey, that's a good one. That's a good cast.
What you think?
He's flipping floppy.
Huh? First cast. Third cast.
Third cast, actually. Yeah, third cast. Oh!
You too.
Freezing.
Tinley, what you think?
Are you gonna eat it?
That's our third cast.
Two of them just ran away.
Tinley. All right, y'all have a good one. Tinley, look, there's your fish.
Yay! Can we eat him?
Nah, we're not gonna eat him. Let's catch another one.
Let it free. Let it free. Yay!
You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's cold, Daddy. Who are those people?
I don't know.
They're our neighbors. You might following it.
Here, Tinley. Come on. Come on. Really?
Fast, fast, fast. Fast, fast. And freezing.
Good job, Tinley. Dude, that's a good one.
Okay, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good one, Dad. Oh yeah, we should go back to the house and get inside.
Tinley.
Huh? Don't have enough footage. What? Make a video.
Oh man.
It's getting even harder. The rain's getting harder, Dad. Yeah. It's thunderstorming, Tinley.
Catch fish in a thunderstorm.
That sounds bad. That's crazy.
I know.
And freezing.
I don't think we have enough footage for a video, but maybe we can do it.
Next time. And it's too stormy. Yeah, it's too stormy.
Maybe we can come back and catch another one.
Tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow.
Are y'all gonna jump in?
Sure. Can I take my shoes off?
Yeah. Just.
I'm not going in. You're on a move. Coming out. That was fun.
We tried anyway. I might go back maybe tomorrow, depending on how much it rains tomorrow afternoon. Well, she got a ball game. All right, this is a continuation.
But Barrett's not here.
But Barrett's not here.
So we're going.
The little fishing trip from yesterday.
Yeah, because it rained.
Because it started raining. We're gonna ease down here with some worms and see what we can do.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna use a piece of him. It's a gigantic fish.
Let's get ready. You see the cork? Here. Oh, he got off. He got off.
I'm just gonna put my hand on it.
Get ready. You see him? You see the cork? Set the hook. Now get him. Reel him up. There you go. Reel it. Reel it. Is it? Oh, he got off. It's okay.
Yeah.
Can you see the cork?
Yes.
Oh, we got a good one. Here. That's a good one, baby.
Help me, Daddy.
I'm helping you. Just reel it up. You can do it. Oh, that's a good one, baby. That's a catfish.
Oh my goodness.
All right, you're gonna do it by yourself. Okay,
help me?
let me help you.
Okay, you lower him. And how are you doing?
Look what that girl caught.
Oh my goodness.
We were just talking about catching catfish, weren't we?
That's a catfish?
Yep.
Oh my goodness, it looks weird. It could hurt you.
Yep. There he goes. Tell him bye.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Catfish. He's not big enough to eat.
No. I wish we had a bigger one.
See it? Ready? There you go. There you go. Reel him up. Okay. Keep it tight. Atta girl. Whew. Hold him up.
He's tiny.
Nah. He's pretty.
Why do you want to call? I wish we would have this big fish.
Huh?
Well, I wish we had this year, for example.
Tell him bye.
Bye-bye.
There he goes. Pretty little fish.
Yeah. Whee!
There you go. Oh, baby. There you go. Reel him up. Keep it tight. You're doing good.
How big is it?
You're pretty good at this.
That's why she takes me fishing tomorrow. Uh-oh, he might be stuck.
Huh? Ooh, that's a good one. Look at him.
I guess I'm good at fishing. Oh my goodness. I don't want to throw him. Whoa. I wish I had this big fish now. I mean, Daddy. See.
Ooh, yeah. Maybe for a minute, because I don't have the.
I want to get wet. Just let it rain.
There you go. There we go.
How big
Keep it tight. He's not bad. Keep your rod tip up. There you go.
Oh man, he's not that big.
Yeah, he's a nice one. He's pretty.
I want him to hop on me.
Huh?
Ah.
That's a pretty one. I can't watch the rod tip. Pretty boy. Hmm? Here you go. Is he hung up? There you go. There he goes.
How many will we catch?
I don't know.
I see an egg over there.
Here, Timmy. There's a good one. Oh. Oh, he's still on there. Here. Rod tip up. There you go. He come off, didn't he? He come off at the bank. Not bad. Ouch.
What did he do?
There he goes.
Oh, you touched his spike thing?
His fins.
Yeah. I want to go back to the house.
You're done?
Yeah.
Let's take a picture.
Look at the catfish. Oh, it's like this little. Oh my goodness. It has whiskers. Keep that on. What's that? That can't. What is he saying about? Yeah. No.
All right, we're done.
Yeah, we're done. Bye-bye. We're going to the house. One hand.
You have fun?
Yeah.
Thanks for coming fishing.
I caught a catfish.
You caught a catfish too, didn't you?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we fished for probably 15 minutes or so. Caught a few.
Yeah.
Nothing big, but had a good time.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna.
But we're going to Candy Lake tomorrow.
We're going to Candy Lake tomorrow, huh? Tinley, come on. Tinley, come on, baby. Keep it tight. Rod tip up. There we go.
What's big?
In the boat. No, me, you, and Grandpa Ricky.
Yes.
So, appreciate y'all coming with us on this little quick pond trip. We caught some yesterday in the thunderstorm.
Yeah, that was.
We didn't have enough footage to make a video, so we ran down here and caught a couple more for y'all. So,
yeah.
Y'all have a good day. God bless. Thanks for tuning in.
And go to sleep really fast.
Go to sleep really fast. Y'all hit that subscribe button, the like button, the notification bell, where y'all get notified when I post again when we go fishing tomorrow. So hopefully we'll get on. So I love you, Tinley.
Love you too, Tata.
Y'all have a good night.